I'm Scott Morris. I'm the Executive Director of the Church Health Center. After I'd gone to seminary and gone to medical school, I wanted to stay in the South, but Atlanta had gotten too big for me, and I read somewhere that Memphis was the poorest major city in America. Based on that, I came to Memphis. I was totally selling out of an empty cart, going to churches, to anybody who would listen, about how we could create a true faith-based healthcare community. Engage people of faith to say, how do we take care of our neighbors? And it always seemed to me that if we were going to use the resources of the church, we should go where the need is greatest, which is among people who work in low-wage jobs, who don't have health insurance. We opened on September 1st, 1987. That first day we saw 12 people. It's the fewest we've ever seen. At that point, we had a staff of 6, we had a budget of $300,000, but from the very beginning, we had doctors volunteering with us every night, every Saturday. We had nurses volunteering. We had a whole cadre of people who wanted to be a part of this ministry. We now have over 70,000 people we take care of. We do it with a staff of physicians who this is our full-time job, but we have over 600 physicians who volunteer their time. Primary care doctors, specialists, there's not a problem that somebody could have. From the cradle to the grave, we can't take care of. Every hospital, every laboratory in this city volunteers to help us. It's truly an amazing thing to watch this community come together to take care of our neighbors. And that's what the Church Health Center does. It gives people the opportunity to give back, to make a difference. It's not about the money, it's about doing right, doing good, healing people the way God intended us to do. Healthcare you can live with is about experiencing the goals of living, which is having more joy in your life, having more love in your life, and being driven closer to God.
In 2009, more than 58 million Americans were uninsured. That's almost 19% of the American population. And despite healthcare reform, there will still be tens of millions of people who remain uninsured in our country. Healthcare you can live with will connect your body and your spirit and give you a greater sense of meaning in your life.